Switchblades.tv presents Available at AssistedKnife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the custom-made Dalton frequent flyer Balisong Butterfly knife. Only 100 models were built in the Kentucky Custom Makers production shop. This is a large style butterfly, and it has a tapered handle that grips extra nice in the open and closed positions and spins like the best of them with its above average sword breaker hilt clip point blade. Skull and wings machined on the black aluminum handles, has skull crusher pommel when it's closed. Stainless steel latch can be mounted on either side. A tiger and parachute logo on the tang of one side and USA on the other side. It's razor sharp ATS-34 blade. Custom built by Dalton, the Dalton frequent flyer. Available at AssistedKnife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com